Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a product review of the Lasfit Truck Bed Liner. So this will go in the actual bed of the truck. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see what it all comes with. All right, now that we got it open here, let's go ahead and slide this out. So it looks like it's folded up into in 4 sections. It's folded up 4 times. Just so you can get a closer look here, this is nice, thick plastic. It does say Lasfit liners on the back of it. Let's go ahead and slide it in. So there it is, fully installed. One thing to know, whenever you get these, because they are folded up and they are kept in a box, it does take a day or two for them to actually lay out flat. So this is totally normal. It's not because it doesn't fit or anything like that. It's just going to take a couple days. But overall, this is super nice. I really like it. It's nice and thick. Feels very durable. If you need to get access to this, you can just cut a hole in this thing. But yeah, this is great. I think it's cool they have like their brand on there. It's got that nice raised edge. Super easy to cut stuff out to get access to your hooks if you need it. Now, one thing to note with any liner of any brand, it does cover up the drain holes. So you should have a drain hole about right here and about right here. So if you are wanting it to still drain, if you don't want water to kind of seep up to that very edge, you could always drill 2 small holes or 1 small hole. That way it'll leak into the bed and actually drop out. But the lips on these isn't super high, so I wouldn't expect there to be a ton of water. It is just something to note. Obviously, if you have some type of cover on the back, that would definitely help with water. But if you don't have a cover or anything, that is just something to be aware of. But yeah, I do like Lasfit. I do like their products. They are sponsoring today's video. So I am thankful for that. But yeah, I'll have a link in the description to this so you can check it out on their website, check out some reviews. But yeah, if it's nice, it'll be more flush in a couple days. But yeah, it's nice. Adds that extra layer of protection that everyone needs to have on their truck. So you can just kind of throw whatever you need back there. But yeah, so this is the Lasfit Bed Liner. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.